Hi there YouTube. One thing I forgot to mention on the episode a few weeks back about installing software is the Microsoft Store. Sorry about that. I've been installing software manually for decades, and it was only later that I was installing something else and realised there's often a better way. The Microsoft Store is a curated and managed selection of apps that meet a collection of Microsoft certifications to be installed in this store. It's not just for paid programs though, there are many great free apps in there as well. The Microsoft Store is accessed by the shopping bag icon in the taskbar of Windows. It contains menus at the top for Home, Apps, Games, Devices and Film and TV. We're mainly going to concern ourselves with the first three. Devices is for hardware, Surface tablets, laptops, desktops, Xbox consoles and accessories. Film and TV allows you to rent or buy movies and TV shows to watch directly on your computer or push to your TV if you have the correct setup. We'll get to episodes about that sort of thing much later. The home screen is simply a jumping off point to find whatever you might be interested in and highlights new and popular content from other categories. The apps section shows some highlighted apps at the top and then bands of collections of software. Best selling, top free, top paid, Windows themes, apps picked for you, new apps Microsoft love, creative apps, and more and more. It ends with a list of software categories that you can scroll through. The games section also shows highlighted apps, then bands, top paid, new games, etc., ending in a collection of game categories for your browsing pleasure. While you can get some of the free apps without a Microsoft account, many of them do require an account. In much the same way as a Google account, you may already have a Microsoft account if you use Outlook.com, Hotmail.com, Live.com, or MSN. If you don't already have an account, there's a relatively simple process to go through to create one. Simply click Microsoft account and then create one. You'll need to provide an email address, a password, and your country, and off you go. Once you're logged in, you can simply click Get, and the app of your choice will be downloaded and installed. Buying a paid app is as simple as clicking the Buy button, confirming your login, and selecting a payment method. You can pay by credit card, debit card, PayPal, and possibly even have it charged to your mobile phone. Kids, please make sure you have the permission of an adult before doing this. Some applications can be really expensive. As well as being safer and easier, the other advantage is that all of your Microsoft Store apps will be upgraded automatically when a new version is released. This can be quite handy, a real time saver and much more secure, as you know you'll always have the latest, safest version available. The downside is that some software is available in paid in the store that is available free elsewhere, and there is some software that is simply not available in the store at all. Hope that was really helpful for you. At the Tech Doctor Network, our goal is to guide you each step of the way and help you feel comfortable with your computer. Come back every weekend for new videos and please subscribe. Leave your questions or comments below. I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.